per the autopsy report,
Yes.
the autopsy was conducted in the evening hours of 9th August.
Yes.
Now the GD entry
Yes.
of unnatural death case was recorded on 23:30 hours on 9th. That is 11:30.
Well, may I, with your Lordship's permission, allow me to place the timeline before your Lordship, given minute by minute, as to what happened. If there is, kindly hold on, just give it to my Lord, please.
Mr. Sibal,
Yeah.
just tell us from your record at what time the post-mortem was performed.
Yes. I tell your Lordship.
From your record.
Yes, yes.
That is for the time being
6:10 to 7:10 p.m.
in the evening,
Yes.
correct?
Correct.
When you are taking the dead body
Yes.
for the purpose of performing post-mortem,
Yes.
is it a case of unnatural death or not? If it is not a case of unnatural death, why do you have to perform the post-mortem? This
Is a case.
Just so that
Sorry.
you can respond to it.
Sorry.
There are so many questions.
Yes, I agree. Of
coming
course.
in our mind.
Right.
And we have the best of the assistance
Yes.
in your form. When you start performing the post-mortem, that means it is a case of unnatural death.
No doubt about it.
Post-mortem starts at 18:10 hours.
Yes.
It comes to an end at 19:10 hours.
Yes.
What was the idea in registering UD at 23:30 hours?
That's the FIR, Mother. That's not the UD.
No, sir.
Mother, I've just
listen to us.
I'm sorry.
Either you are right
No.
or
No,
what
it was
is
FIR. FIR.
You have to answer your Lordship's question, Mother, without interference, please.
You can.
No. Just
Yes,
one clarification.
certainly.
The records reveal,
Yes,
subject to what you have to further point out to us.
correct.
UD case number 861 of 24 of police station Tala
Yes.
was registered at 23:30 hours on 9th August 2024. GD entry number 576 and the FIR number 52 of 2024 was registered at 23:45 hours. Is this record correct?
Well, may I therefore point out to your Lordship, just take the timeline. We have referred everything in
So
it.
according to your record, the UD was registered at what times?
1:45 p.m.
1:45?
p.m.
No, that's not true.
That 1:45 p.m.
How do we reconcile the two records?
Mother, I'll show that to your Lordship.
Because we today have a report
Mother, but that I'm saying, Mother.
which indicates that this is the time. So therefore, it's very surprising. Post-mortem precedes registration of UD.
No, Mother, this is what I am told, Mother, and I can only
Is
respond.
someone responsible there to assist?
Yes, certainly, Mother.
If any officer is present, you may speak to him and tell us. Because if this is the fact, then it is something very dangerous.
I agree with you. I agree. Let me just, Mother, the officer is here.
Please. Tell him to make a responsible statement. He should not make a rash statement.
Of course not, Mother. No
Tell
question.
him.
No question about it. Mother, kindly see page 4 of the diary.
I thought this is.
What time is this?
Can I have a timeline, please?
Hold on. I have not even handed it to the...
You have not given. I have been requesting since.
I don't know why you are interfering, sir. I have not even given it to the court.
Just a minute.
You have
Allow me to answer the court, please.
There are 3-4 questions.
Yes, Mother,
We
good
would like
answer each one, Mother.
thought.
Yes, it says, Mother, that
UD case number 861 of 24 was registered at what hours?
1:45.
From where do you get this?
It mentions, Mother.
From where do you get that?
Just trying to show.
It's all right. As long as we get the correct answer.
Correct.
No problem.
Our reports are based on the case diary they have given to us.
Just a minute, Mr. Solicitor General. They are expected to reply to our question. Why it takes so much of time? Just show the time on the document, that's all. All that you need to do is refer to that document and tell us at what time UD, again I am repeating, 861 of 24 was registered.
Mr. Sibal,
Mother, kindly see, quite frankly, Mother, I'll have to construct this for your Lordship. For example, page 2 of the case diary, the UD case, requisition of the magistrate for inquiry. Just, Mother, kindly see, requisition
Sharma,
for inquest.
can you tell us at what time the inquest Panchnama was drawn?
20 to 40 p.m.
4:20,
To
4:40 p.m. And now the record reveals the report which we have in our hand that UD was registered after the inquest Panchanama, after the postmortem.
That was made before the judicial magistrate to carry out the inquest mentions
Mentions the UD.
But that's page number 2 of the case diary.
That's what we were going to point out.
Now, Mr. Solicitor General,
Yes,
has the CBI collected the record which is available to them?
yes,
They have collected it?
we have collected.
Is any officer present today?
Yes,
Who is it?
the Joint Director, CBI, my lord.
Ma'am, you have understood our question. Come to page 12 of your report which has been tendered today. Read para 10 in your mind. Tell us, is this record correct? Is this correct?
Yes, sir. It's
Correct.
based on the documents given to us by the Kolkata.
Why are they showing us some different time? Which is the document they are referring to?
Sir,
Case diary, I have it with me.
Case diary.
sir, this is based on the GD entries and the documents given to us by the
Correct.
Kolkata police.
But look at the time which you have stated.
It's there, sir, in the GD entries, sir.
Can you show
And of
us?
it.
Can you show us?
Yes, sir.
I'll just, my lord, mark and my lord, passing.
They are mentioning the GD of what happened in the entire day, my lords. If your lordship that look at page 2, my lords. Page 2, it says the application made to the magistrate with the GD and where the UD entry is already mentioned.
You may be right, Mr. Sibal. This is something which even the criminal procedure code doesn't prescribe.
Yes, exactly.
The entire procedure
Yeah.
which has been
Your
followed by your police,
Yes.
police of the state, it is something which at least I have not come across
Yes.
in 30 years of my.
I know. Right. I appreciate it. But my lords, the facts must be before your lordships. my lords. That's the important thing. The real
The
facts.
first thing we want to confirm is,
Yes.
is it true that the UD case was registered at 23:30 hours and that the postmortem and everything preceded the registration of the UD?
No, my lords.
We'll have to answer.
Yes, please, my lords.
Second question to
Yeah.
you, Mr. Sibal.
The second question.
Who is this assistant superintendent non-medical? Who is this person? Is this assistant superintendent a male or a female?
I believe it's a female, but I just make sure.
So it appears that the initial report of an unnatural death was received and which was recorded in the GD at
Correct.
as
So not
5:40.
unnatural death,
Once.
unconscious body. The doctors are informing the police that there is an unconscious
Found
body.
lying in unconscious state. That is
Not
how,
a you don't have to be a doctor to
That
know
is-
that it's not
that
unconscious
is at,
body, it's a
that is
dead
at
body.
10:10 a.m.
Yes.
This is GD 542.
This is from the outpost, my lords.
Right.
This information is from the outpost.
The unnatural death is
Received from
recorded
police's
by
outpost.
entry 861 after they return to the police station at night.
That is how we have
And
said.
11:30 in the night, the FIR is registered. In the meantime, the body has been handed over to the mother for the purpose of.
And that too, the father insists for registration of the
Yes,
FIR.
absolutely.
The hospital does not register the FIR. Father has insisted and registered the FIR.
The father told us, you wait till I tell you, then
No,
only
no,
register.
No.
I will give a written complaint. That's what happened. At least tell us what's been happening in the investigation and trying to say that this happened at 11:45.
The family is here, my lord. The
State has
is appearing, my lord.
One clarification which we need.
Certainly, my lord.
If the report of the police indicates that after return to the police station, GD 861 was recorded. In the meantime, the dead body had been handed over to the mother for cremation.
Yeah.
If this does not square up with the fact that the inquest refers to GD 861. Inquest takes place. I have the inquest of the judicial magistrate.
Right.
Judicial magistrate says I conducted the inquest at 4:20 p.m. on the 9th of August.
Correct.
That inquest report refers to GD 861.
Yes.
Now, if the police say that the GD 861 was recorded on return to the police station just before, obviously before the FIR is recorded
Yeah,
that
yeah.
night, How is it that an inquest at 420 refers to 861?
Lord,
This is
kindly-
just-
Lord, I do not know how
Sorry.
it will
This is
turn.
just recording.
It
This
says
is just
UD
recording.
1861,
Just
not
an expression, Malaj, it's just recording.
It says UD
Ask the
861.
ACJM, Malaj, ask
Not-
the ACJM. He was there. Ask the ACJM, Malaj. Everything is on record. Your memo says 861. Postmortem says 861. And Malaj, the real thing is the investigation. Why are we moving away? What has happened in the investigation?
Lord, the state says father
3, Malaj. Page
Father
13.
did not permit registration of FIR. The father's counsel is
Page 13, Malaj. Page 13
And he-
of the case diaries.